Hey everybody, this is Kolton with Motorhome Specialist here with Nick from Thor Motor Coach. We're going to be taking a look at the Inception HD. What kind of differences does it bring from other companies, and what kind of differences does it bring from the regular Inception? You go ahead, Nick.
So the big thing that it's always important to point on, yes, we are looking at the Inception HD, but it is, and on the Inception, you are going to have LED bezel lights. Most of the competition, you're going to find halogen lights. You don't see the value of it every day when you come to dealerships, but when you're driving, those LED lights are super bright. It's a safety thing. Customers want safety, and you're going to have LED lights on this Inception HD product.
And then to go into the tire size, these are going to be 295. I think the competition is going to be at 275. Should give a little bit less of vibration and give a little bit of a better drive. So that's the reason they're going to do that, and that is exclusive to the S2RV chassis, which this Inception HD is going to be sitting on.
Okay. The 295 wheels too also create bigger storage. So the storage will show you. You're going to have larger pass-through, which again, people like taking their stuff when they go camping. So again, the 295 wheels create for a larger pass-through storage and all the way through the coach.
And then of course you can see the Girard roof integrated awning with the motion sensors. So if it's about to collapse or maybe it's got too much wind, it'll go back in itself. And then you got the Stratus Gray, which is exclusive to the HD. So the Inception is not going to have this, just the HD. And let's hit on this high-end Class A diesel door that the Super C is going to come with. I think it definitely looks better, also feels better when you open it and shut it. And it's going to be a little bit quieter in terms of wind noise.
Yeah, the thickness is everything. When you're driving down the road, you don't hear that white noise. You have to look and feel and see the integrated awning on the Inception HD. That is a game changer for that product line. You can see the lights, you can see how massive it is, you can see how it looks. It looks like a big Class A diesel. So you will only have that on the Inception HD product.
Okay, and then let's take a look at the hitch back here. It should be a true 15,000-pound hitch, a true 15,000-pound hitch.
Yeah, a lot of our competition you'll find 12Ks,
yep,
which we're all familiar with, but on the Inception product and the Inception HD, it's going to be a true 15K towing.
Then if you take a look at the back, I love the way the back looks. It looks like a high-end Class A diesel from the back. A lot of the other Class A diesel companies are going to look really good from the back. I think they do a good job with this as well.
Yeah, we wanted to design it around a Class A diesel look, giving that customer that elegant still in a Super C product.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Behind this panel, you have an AquaHot 250D, which will give you and provide heating. It is hydronic to your bathroom, porcelain flooring, and to your room. So throughout the whole coach, this is what your heat is going to come from, with the addition of the heated flooring.
Only found in the Inception HD product.
And then I do like the well-organized wet bay. You got your water filtration out here. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Full access right there. It is well organized. And then I believe we got 6 batteries right here. I feel like that's a lot. I feel like that's maybe a little bit of overkill, and it should be able to run a lot of things on your coach as well as help start your coach if you're in a situation where you can't start it. Yeah, my name is Kolton Baldwin with Motorhome Specialist. You can call me at 817-487-1200. I will be selling Super Cs. I love this product, and I love other Super Cs. Thank you.